Why do people support GMO labels? Because they have the right to know what foods have GMOs.
Why do people not support GMO labels? It will cost more money, and we don't even know if GMOs are harmful or not.
Hi, so this is our video newsletter for the week of February the 20th. Just a reminder, there's no school on Monday. It is President's Day and we don't have any snow days to make up, so we will get to enjoy a beautiful day off on Monday. On Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, I will be out of town for a workshop, and there will be a substitute in the class. She will be the same substitute both days, and she has been in our class before. So just to be aware of that if you need me, I will be out Tuesday and Wednesday. Also, a couple of things to take note of. Next week, not next week, but the next week, we will be taking iStep, and that will begin actually on Tuesday, February the 28th. We will be taking our math portion of the paper pencil iStep, and then on Wednesday the 1st, we will be taking our language arts portion of the iStep. And then on Thursday, 4th grade will be taking science and 5th grade will be taking social studies. Just a reminder, it is so important that your child is here on those days. We will be doing all of our testing before lunch, so if they have any kind of doctor's or dentist appointments or anything like that, please make sure those are scheduled for after lunch. So next week, not next week, but the following week, Tuesday the 28th, Wednesday the 1st, and Thursday the 2nd. Those are 3 really important days that we really need everybody here. Another date to be aware of that's coming in the future is on March the 15th. We will be taking a trip to the Evansville Philharmonic, and after that is through, then we will be eating at Golden Corral. Unfortunately, due to space and space is limited on the field trip, so we will not have any parents that will be able to go on this trip, but it will be all of 5th grade teachers, and we will have a couple of chaperones with our teacher aides that will come with us as well. So March the 15th is a field trip to the Philharmonic. They need to dress nicely that day since we're going to go see some beautiful music, hear some beautiful music. And then we also will need $6 in cash, no checks, just cash, to take to eat for lunch at Golden Corral. So that is something to be aware of, and I will send home a little bit more information about that in paper form, probably in the next week or so. But I did want you to have that on your calendar so you'd know that $6 would be due for that trip. Other than that, we've been doing some great projects this week. We did a lot of research into GMOs. What we were trying to do is find both sides of a controversial topic, and we were trying to find credible sources that would support opinions for both sides. And we made presentations on those. Actually, we're making them today. The other thing that we started working on is we just finished up our geometry unit, and we are making geometricity. Anyway, we're making a city, and it's going to look something like this. We did phase 1 where we had to get a permit to build. Then for phase 2, we had to plan our construction and make a blueprint. And then today we will be actually constructing our city and building up. So hopefully those will be done next week, and it will be really exciting to see how those turn out. If you have any questions about anything coming up, if you would just go ahead and email me or give me a call, I will be glad to help you. If you are not part of our announcement email from the school, that lists a lot of important dates that go on day to day, and it goes out daily. So if you need to get on that email list, if you haven't done that, then that would be a great thing for you to do. You can just call the office and give them your email address, and they will be glad to keep you up to date with those emails. I hope that you all have a great weekend. It's going to be beautiful weather, and I hope that you'll get outside and enjoy some time with your family.